record. But you have a double standard for pro se litigants and for regular citizens. So you've already violated my civil rights under color of law. So I'm getting ready to file an emergency injunction with this court. I'll be back here very shortly asking for a restraining order to prevent M&T Bank and its gangster lawyers from moving forward with this fraudulent foreclosure proceeding. Their answers were just boilerplate garbage. They've purposely withheld documents from myself in the court to frustrate justice, and the McFadden and company should have his bar license removed for conspiracy to defraud the court and for his inside dealings with the officers of the court and the court personnel. He has no right to ex parte communications with the judge and their staff over a normal citizen. And when he does that, he's committing treason, he's committing perjury, and he's subordinating fraud. So I'll pick this up this afternoon before I file the restraining order. God bless. George McDermott signing off for MarylandCourtWatch.com, the Victims Roundtable. Oh, this is the fourth day of May 2010. Fourth day of May 2010, 12 p.m. I'm sorry. George McDermott here, Secret Justice News, Victims Roundtable, and MarylandCourtWatch.com. I'm down here. As you see in the background, you got a bunch of thieving lawyers auctioning off people's houses back there. I just filed a notice of appeal on all 5 orders that the judge judges of this court issued this morning in secrecy using email contracts and fax documents which weren't even court date stamped into the record to help the McFadden law groups try to steal my home. So I'm on my way to Annapolis now to file an injunction. I just left the U.S. courthouse in Greenbelt, so I'll pick this up in Annapolis. But once again, I'm down here in, like I said before, this is a motion for stay of foreclosure. I've been to U.S. District Court in the District of Columbia last night at 11:30. Filed a motion there to have the matters removed out of Maryland because of the outright prejudice by the courts. I was back at the court in Upper Marlboro, Maryland at 9:30 this morning, where I discovered that the court overnight had from 2:30 yesterday afternoon until this morning had received a bunch of fax documents were put into the record without being docketed into the record, and generated numerous orders that were not in the record as of yesterday at 2:30 p.m. All of them are being appealed right now in the September term 2010-307 case of motion for stay of foreclosure. So this is 9 pages. My receipt showing that my foreclosure fee, just alone, this is another day of my life has been taken. Actually, it's been another week of my life taken doing these legal documents, and over almost $200 worth of charges today alone, just not counting the copying and everything else, filing the notices of appeal. And now I've got to come back down here to Annapolis tomorrow, and I'm trying to find someone. I've already contacted one bonding company, and I don't think it's out of order for the court to allow me a week to get bonding and to put a stay. It's not going to hurt M&T Bank's portfolio one bit. But I do reserve the right to sue and countersue them for the damage that they've caused me, the emotional duress, the physical duress, the damage they caused my wife, and the extreme torture that we've been put through. So, appeal for May 4th, 2010, from the Court of Special Appeals in Annapolis. It is now 10 minutes till 5. God bless and have a good day.